बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जैसे कि हम पिछली वीडियो में मार्केटिंग डिफरेंस पढ़ चुके हैं, मार्केटिंग डेफिनेशन, B2C मार्केटिंग और B2B मार्केटिंग पढ़ चुके हैं। इस वीडियो में हम परचेजिंग एंड सेलिंग प्रोसेस देखेंगे। परचेजिंग एंड सेलिंग प्रोसेस, परचेजिंग प्रोसेस इन B2C, परचेजिंग प्रोसेस इन B2B, सेल्स प्रोसेस इन B2C and sales process in B2B. Purchasing process in B2C. In B2C, purchasing process is very short because generally purchasing decision is taken by the one or two persons on the spot. Also payment paid at the same time. So in B2B purchase process is fast. So normally as usual, normally we go any market, we buy any product and we pay at the same time by cash or by credit card or by debit card. So this is the B2C purchasing process. On the other hand, purchasing process in B2B. In B2B, purchasing process is very lengthy because the decision of buying the product is not taken by only one or two persons. In this process, different departments are involved to take the decision for buying the product. For example, accounts department, purchase department, technical or top management are involved to take the decision. So, in this category, purchasing B2B process, this is the heavy equipment or the very costly equipment. ये ऐसे इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं जो कि जैसे कोई मशीनरी हो सकती है, तो ये कोई भी इंडिविजुअल जस्ट ऑनर्स का डिसीजन नहीं हो सकता। ये किसी भी एक इनफरादी शख्स का जो है वो डिसीजन नहीं हो सकता। इसको मिल के मुख्तलिफ डिपार्टमेंट डिसाइड करते हैं एंड देन उस चीज़ को परचेज किया जाता है। सो दिस प्रोसेस इज लेंथी एज कंपेयर टू B2C. नेक्स्ट इज sales process in B2C. B2C sales process is fast because buyer and seller are directly in contact and generally products sold at the same time with single transaction. So this is the sales process in B2C. So how this B2C sale process is fast? Because when you go on the shop, you ask the shop owner that what you need, then he directly give to you and take money from you. So generally it's a very short time and only decision is depends on the single person. Sales process in B2B. B2B sales process is lengthy because in B2B sales process is between business organizations, not between one or two persons. First one person approach the company to fix an appointment. Then a team or one or two people give the proposal to the company to buy its product. So in this process, buyer and seller have involved their different departments to complete the buying and selling process. जैसे कि परचेजिंग प्रोसेस में एक या दो लोगों पे डिपेंड नहीं करता कोई भी चीज़ बाय करने का. सेम as a organization which is want to sell the product, so he will give the other company proposal that you can use our product and utilize by quality. They will guarantee the other company that this product is good quality and good performance like this. So they give proposal and they try to convince the employer or the buyer. Then in this process the buyer will communicate with their team and then they decide to buy the product. So this is the lengthy process, and also payment process is the direct bank to bank normally. So this is the sales process in B2B. If you like the video, so please press like, subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.